We're at the 4th annual KUKA Connections here in beautiful Lake Tahoe. Connections celebrates shaping the future of automation through KUKA Robotics, our system partners, and integrators.
KUKA is different. They're hungry. They're out there in the trenches with us, fighting for that next project. Now, when you team up with KUKA and lean into that relationship, that culture aligns. And so the results for us in a 2.5-year period is close to $30 million in business.
Connections delivers industry insights, new innovative technology, exciting panels in groundbreaking new industries, live demos, and focused breakout sessions. And of course, the unique opportunity to network with industry peers and experts.
Honestly didn't know what to expect when we got here. So we won the Emerging Partner Award last night, totally unexpected. It feels incredible to be recognized. The amount of support that we've had from the KUKA team has been tremendous. If you're integrating with KUKA and you haven't been to a Connections, you're completely missing out. Meeting some of the different integrators and how they're going through and adding robotics into their different applications is really, really fascinating.
Bringing people together, making connections, that's what KUKA Connections is all about.
Making automation easier.